Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna show you an ocean view stateroom. It's called Deluxe Ocean View. It's on deck 8, room 103. This is quite a unique one as it is the most forward section of the ship. So it is an ocean view room with a huge porthole per se. There's about 4 of these at the front. Some of them are square window, so floor to ceiling. So this is at the very forward of the ship. We're at Port of Honolulu here. Can't open the window, however, plenty of natural sunlight, plenty of space. There's table and chairs here. Just give you a quick overview of the room first. So it can accommodate up to 4. This bed can turn into a trundle bed for the kids, if you have kids traveling with you. This is pretty neat. Every room of Celebrity Edge have this little power point box with USB connection available. Oh, got some gift there and a bottle of champagne. So that's great. So it's a really nice room. The bed can be configured as a king or twin bedding, 2 single. TV on the wall. Cupboard space is here. Lots of clothes hanger. Drawers. Couple of storage by the bedside. On that side also my suitcase is blocking it. Everything is controlled through this panel for movie, sleep, light, dim, light, temperature, etc. Bathroom, really decent size, no shower curtain. It's actually really nice size with shower screen. Lots of storage at the bottom too. It's quite big, all things considered. My husband is 6'5" or 6'6" almost, and he fit in here very comfortably. Okay. So that's it. Oh, there's a little bit more storage here with some pool towel, umbrella, bathrobe. So it's quite a nice side ocean view. I think if you don't mind the position that is being at the forward facing, you're pretty much a couple of decks below the bridge. So it's pretty neat. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the next room type very soon. Until next video, bye for now.